Hey everybody, today I'm showing another cool cat treat. This is a Temptations Lickable, but in spoon format so you can actually handle it easily and give your pets. This is what's included in there. Now these are not designed to replace food. A lot of people make the mistake of actually thinking that if you give your pets 10 lickables a day, that's gonna actually keep them healthy. This is supposed to be maybe used as a treat to encourage good behavior. I mainly use these to feed my cats, especially outdoor cats. And these are convenient. The problem with these is that actually getting the whole thing out sometimes is a problem. Getting the whole thing out is sometimes a challenge. Most of it comes out, but sort of like a toothpaste. You have to actually press and squeeze to get all of it out. Whereas with this, it's just easier to handle. These are the ingredients for those lickable tubes, and these are the ingredients for that lickable spoon. The weight also, I'm assuming, is a little bit different because these are 1.41 grams, 2 ounces. With the package is 0.6. This is 0.5 with the package. This is a solid spoon, so you can actually hold it. It's not really that soft, so it doesn't really break that easily or anything. Whereas this, you just have to squeeze. So that's the main difference between these two. The ingredients look a little bit similar. This has a little bit more fat as far as the percentage, but then again, the amount of food that also included is a little bit different. You can find the expression here. Now I'm gonna test this with my cats. Let's see how they like it. This is the salmon and tuna flavor, whereas this is just the tuna right here. You can see there are chicken and salmon flavors available here. There's also a liver formula that I've seen, but that's a different package, I think. So I brought both of these to test. First, let's test this one. Just have to open it like that. So it doesn't seem to be as soft as this one, even though they've been the same temperature. So these guys don't let fun eat, actually. That's one of the problems we have. I have to give them some food beforehand. And how about Toxie? Okay, that's enough. You gotta eat it quickly, man. Come on, Funny. The problem with something like this is it's so delicious, and you have this many cats outside trying to take care of it. It's just not gonna actually last even 20 seconds. This has more liquid content. At least it looks like to me. So I dropped a little bit of this in that thing. They love that too. I want to feel funny. Come on.
Not surprisingly, these are also a hit. These are great for hydration as well. I use them mainly in the summer. It gets really hot